How to verify Bitcoin on Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to verify Bitcoin on Cash App. First, open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. On this page, there are options and sections that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From there, tap on the bank icon or where your Cash App balance appears. This will take you to the Money section of the app, as you can see from here. On this page, there are various options and sections that you can use to get features that are related to money. From there, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. Come to this section here and tap on the option named Bitcoin. This will take you to this page that has options which are related to Bitcoin, as you can see from here. From there, tap on the Buy Bitcoin option that enables you to buy Bitcoins. Once you do that, a menu pops up from the bottom of the screen, as you can see here. The menu has predefined amounts of money that you can use to buy Bitcoins. You can also enter your own custom amount to buy Bitcoin. Once you tap on it, a page similar to the one you can see here appears. On this page, Cash App is informing us that to keep your account secure, Cash App requires identity verification before you can buy, send, or receive Bitcoin. So go ahead and tap here, Verify Identity. After that, Cash App will ask you to provide some important information about yourself, such as your phone number, address, and more information. The process is that simple. Make sure you follow it carefully. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to verify Bitcoin on Cash App.